Welcome back to Architutors. In this Rhinoceros 3D and Grasshopper 3D parametric design tutorial, you will learn how to make parametric CNC Jali or lattice screen design. So let's begin. First, set up a plane of the dimensions as you require. Enter Surface component in Grasshopper and select the plane surface you created. Insert triangular grid component and add number slider component. Set the values. Flatten cells and points output. Let's create a curve that'll act like a traction curve. Scale component. Curve closest point component. Insert curve component and select the curve you created. Remap. Bounds. Construct domain. Number slider. Boundary surface. Change the number slider values to get different results. Bake to finish. This is how you can make a parametric lattice screen design or Jali design in Grasshopper 3D and Rhino. Make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all updates. For more Grasshopper and Rhinoceros tutorials, check out our playlist on parametric architecture. That's it for this tutorial. See you next time.